All right, guys, it's Sunday. Of course, I started out this week by closing last week's vlog because why not? It's my jam this recently. Anyway, we're getting ready to have some dinner. We have some leftover chicken, barbecue chicken Mr. Bob made yesterday from family dinner night. There was hardly any food left. Some fruit and a little bit of chicken. Everything else got eaten. We had 20 people in the house. Oh, and some cookies. But I mean, we all had a great time. They were here. We didn't get to bed. Well, by the time we sat down, it was like 10:30. And I think immediately Mr. Bob and I were like, oh, crap, I'm tired. And we slept in until 9 o'clock this morning, but that's all right. I'm going to do another sketching class with Sketching Scotty after dinner, and we'll see where I go from there. I will put a picture like here somewhere. All right, I'm going to eat my salad. I'll be back. You're on my footstool. Yes, I'm leaning over you. That's why I look this way. I was doing some extra babysitting today. Well, let's do that. And, well, I'm not going to show this on camera, but let's just say my pinky toe on my right foot's black and blue. House cleaners were here today, and I was also doing the extra babysitting. Tom was scared of the house cleaners, which he usually isn't. I don't know what was going on with him today. And Oma already had her hands full of other stuff, and he insisted on me picking him up, and he was screaming and crying. Anyway, we ended up slipping on a couple of steps on the staircase. Tom is fine because Oma made sure, and Oma is fine except for her toe. Yeah, anyway, I can still walk on it, but yeah, it's tender. And black and blue. Anyway, he went home a little while ago, and I sat and I did some more sketching. I did another lesson with Sketching Scotty, and we did food. So there's my food. I am going to clean out my palette, wash off my brush. I want to see what other colors I have and maybe add an orange. He mixes a lot of orange, but I have a lot of paint. I'm sure I have something that will work that I can put in here and I'll have to mix it all the time. Oh, yeah, no. All right. I'll be back. Okay. I found some paints to refill a couple of colors, and I found an orange I think will work. We're using what we have because I got a shit ton of paint. So we're using what we have. I'm not going to buy anything if I don't have to. And that being said, I have colors that'll work, and yeah, we're gonna just go with that. So all right, I'm gonna put my foot up, try to reduce the swelling. Yeah, anyway, after work, Mr. Bob and I are gonna go run a couple quick errands, and yeah, I'm gonna rest until then because he's got meetings until 6:30, 7, something like that. I'll be back. So yeah, ice on my foot because let's just say my toe is colorful. And well, the fronts of my thighs, the muscles are very stiff. You can tell I fell on the stairs yesterday. So anyway, I did go out and run a couple errands today, but I am stiff and sore, and I'm probably supposed to stay off my feet. So I just did what I had to. I want to really go over to Dick Blick. We do have one near us. And not that I need anything, but I just haven't been in a long time. But I'm not feeling up to it. So that didn't happen. So I came back and I got to sleep in. So yeah. I came back and I did another sketching Scotty lesson from his Patreon. So we did flowers, and I'll probably do one more tonight. And I might be brave enough to post some of them in his Patreon. He has a community like chat place. So other than that, I'm not getting a lot done this week. So if this video is really short, it's because, well, hello, I fell down the stairs. I will say grandson, not a bruise or mark on him. He's doing just fine. So Oma did her job. I took the brunt. He was safe, and That's the point. How did it happen exactly? I don't remember if I said, but my hands were already full. The house cleaners were here. He was scared, although he knows them, so he does not usually scared of them. Anyway, he was crying. He didn't want to walk down the stairs, although yes, he knows how he's 3. And he wanted Oma to help him. So I was trying to grab him and deal with him with my arms already loaded full of stuff. Anyway, we ended up falling. I let go of the stuff. I made sure I had him and turned so that he didn't get hurt. Anyway, so yeah, my hands still work. So I'm able to do some drawing. Yeah. I did get some mending done before all this happened. So there's that. He was hanging out here in the chair where I'm sitting right now while the cleaners were downstairs, and he was watching his tablet while Oma was doing some mending. And yeah, I was trying to get him to play with some markers and crayons. If anybody has any ideas on how to get a 3-year-old that who's like very focused on certain things, and that was one of them, let me know. It's been a long time since I raised any kids or helped, and I only had a girl, so headstrong boys are a whole different ballgame. Anyway, all right. I'm going to do some daily puzzles and have some water. It is hot. I don't have the air conditioner on, even though I'm upstairs. I do have all the windows open, but I will probably change that shortly. All right, I'll be back. Despite the fact that I can't really do much because my foot, she's banged up. But anyway, I did get 2 lessons from Sketching Scotty done today. I got another one, sea creatures. Turned out pretty cute. Wasn't sure about the crab, but I mean, it's not too bad. And yeah, I'm really enjoying that process. So anyway, now I'm just like on the couch because everything hurts. I feel like I fell down the stairs. Yeah, I'll be back. I'm trying to do my next lesson with Sketching Scotty, which we have 2 like food carts, a lamppost, a door, and a table and chairs. Anyway, doctor's office called because I had questions about my some info in my record, and their patient portal is just like completely not working right now. And anyway, question is answered. My next colonoscopy does not need to be this year. It's next year. Yay! And then as soon as I hung up the phone and picked up the sketchbook, daughter called. She's out more this way than she is her way. And so they were coming for dinner anyway. So she and grandson are going to run a few errands. I'm going to finish up my sketching lesson, hopefully before they get here. And then they're going to come early. That's fine. I told her, just come. It's fine. All right. And that's it. Let me get back to that lesson. I'll be back. Hello, everybody. All right. So as I can, I am sitting with my foot up with ice on it. It is feeling better. I can walk on it without limping. It didn't really hurt much. I mean, it's my pinky toe. It may or may not be broken, but there's nothing they're going to do about it unless they have to. So I don't think it is, though. I think I just bruised the crap out of my foot. Anyway, what I did do is I've been using this bag for my watercoloring stuff, and we are going on a trip soon, and I may not like bring this bag as my carry-on personal item purse bag. So I attached a strap to it just a minute ago and made a strap. And Bob's off running some errands. I'm supposed to be sitting down with ice on my foot, so I guess I better go do that. I do have laundry to do. We're waiting for a service from our bug people. it's ant season, so, you know, it's not a huge problem, but they are here and there. So anyway, I am going to do another sketch today. Here is the one I did yesterday. The little food carts, I'm not sure I did a great job on, but here we go. Today I think is a Vespa. So, and again, I'm doing little lessons. Some of them are long, but I'm learning a lot from Sketching Scotty. And he does have a YouTube channel if you want to check him out over there. And if you want to get access to the lessons that I'm doing, you can go join his Patreon. I think it's like $8 a month. Anyway, it's worth it in my opinion. All right, I'm going to grab the ice for my foot, maybe change one load of laundry and put my foot up like I'm supposed to be doing and not pacing around. Yeah, I'll be back. Hello, everybody. All right. I figured before I go get more ice to put on my toe, maybe I'd actually try to close the vlog on time this week.
Ooh, what a concept.
I know, right? I did just finish second to last lesson in the section I'm doing with Sketching Scotty, which was the Vespa. I will break here and we will show all the pictures I've done this week. I've actually done, I think, one almost every day. So that's a lot of fun. That's been the focus of what I'm doing, because I can't really get up and do too much because I hurt my foot. At least that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. It's feeling better today. We did get a few other random errands done and went and did some driving around. And yeah, but that was the end of this week. Not as productive as I wanted to be. But when you take a fall like I did and you hurt yourself, what do you expect, right? So anyway, we'll rest and get better. We have stuff coming up I want to do. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have had a good week and you've been able to get some stuff done and you haven't fallen and hurt yourself like I did. I hope not, because that wasn't fun. All right, that's it for this week. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a question, comments, or concerns down below. I do reply to all of them. Relevant links will be in the video description. And go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.